Have you ever walked into a luxury hotel dining room and thought, how do they keep those tablecloths so white, so crisp, so perfectly smooth? Let's find out. Welcome to Winsham Channel, where hospitality meets elegance. Whether you're running a boutique hotel, prepping for your next dinner party, or managing hundreds of covers a night, this guide will show you how to keep your tablecloths pristine, smooth, stain-free, and worthy of a five-star dining room. I remember my first banquet shift. 300 guests, 100 white linens, and 5 minutes before the doors opened, one red wine spill right in the center of a head table. Total panic. But here's the thing, we handled it, and I'm going to show you exactly how, with a few pro tricks used in top-tier hotels every single day. Let's start with the basics. Fabric, because not all tablecloths are created equal. Linen, elegant but high maintenance. Wash in cold or lukewarm water with a mild detergent. Air dry or tumble on low. Never use high heat. It shrinks like a wool sweater. Cotton, strong but stain prone. Warm water is fine. Tough stains? Pre-treat with a baking soda paste or a gentle remover. Dry it just until damp, then iron while still warm. Polyester, the easiest of the bunch. Cold water, low dryer setting. Remove it promptly, and it's practically wrinkle-free. One fabric rule, know what you're working with, and treat it accordingly. Now, let's talk about stains. Wine, sauce, wax. They happen, but they don't have to ruin your linens. Red wine, blot. Don't rub. Use club soda or even white wine to lift the pigment. Then apply a baking soda paste. Wash in warm water. Grease in tomato sauce. Dish soap cuts through oil. For tomato stains, pre-treat first, then launder warm. Candle wax, harden it with ice. Gently scrape it off. Then use a spot treatment to finish. Stains don't scare hotels because they know exactly how to respond. That crisp hotel finish? It comes down to one thing, ironing while the cloth is still damp, section by section, always with steam. And yes, a little starch makes all the difference. Don't love ironing? Use a fabric steamer. It's quick, gentle, and perfect for delicate fabrics. How you store your linens matters too. Fold them on a clean surface. Don't stack too high. And for long-term storage, use breathable bins or garment bags with a sachet of lavender or cedar. Fresh linens start with smart storage. Let's wrap it up with a few pro tips you'll thank yourself for later. Read the care labels. They're your cheat sheet. Use color-safe bleach only when the fabric allows. Skip fabric softener on silk or lace. It damages the fibers. Vintage or beaded linens. Always dry clean. Still unsure? Test a small corner. Go gentle or ask a pro. Confidence is part of the clean. Now you know the secrets to hotel-perfect tablecloths. No wrinkles, no stains, just elegance, every single time. So whether you're setting a table for 10 or 200, treat every guest like they're walking into a five-star experience. If this helped, subscribe and join us for more tips that bring professional polish into everyday life. Now, go set the table with confidence.